Hello friends, my name is Imran and you are watching IMK Hub channel, and in this video I will show you how to download Dell drivers in Dell laptops. So let's get started. So first we go to the Chrome browser and type Dell drivers, DELLDRIVERS. Now click to enter. You can see the first drivers and downloads, Dell India. Click on this. Now you can see this page and enter a service tag. What is service tag? Service tag means product ID or serial number which are written in your bill or laptop, so you can submit or detect PC. Now you can click to all products. Now you can see the desktop, all-in-ones, monitor and laptops. You are using laptops, so click to laptop, Inspiron, and now you can see so many models are there of Inspirons. You can click to which you have to download drivers. There are Inspiron 15, 55, 77 gamings, etc. And you can click to Inspiron. I am taking only one Inspiron 1520. Now you can see this page. There are some steps: diagnostics, support topics and articles, drives and downloads. This is your page. Now you can click to keywords, enter your keywords, Windows XP or Vista or Windows 10, 9 and 8. Category, click to all. Now you can format and achieve to text files or provide helps or zip pack external. Now you can click to show urgent only. Now you can see these last updates of this Dell Inspiron. Here you can see Dell WiFi drivers. You can download these drivers to click and you can download. Now your problem is solved. When you are click to download, when your problem are solved. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel IMK Hub, and thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.